بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون صدق الله العظيم. Respected teachers, dear fellows and Mr. President, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am honored to speak to you about the curriculum of Ghani Institute of Islamic and Technical Education. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So, what is curriculum? Let me take you on a brief journey into the charming realm of education, where the world curriculum unfolds as a captivating story. In the heart of our intellectual city resides a respected teacher. His wisdom is taught by eager minds, like a beacon, guiding them through the vast sea of learning. It's not a mere list of subjects, but a tale of discovery, with each lesson as a page in our collective book of knowledge. This story is dynamic and purposeful, much like any epic tale. It's not a mere list of subjects. It's not just about acquiring facts. It's about growth, about becoming the hero of our educational journey. Mr. President, if we delve into the history, we discover a university named Kisfin that provided the finest curriculum to its students in an early era. Those who studied there were not only scientists or scholars, they were doctors, scientists, or engineers, scholars. They were both. The primary goal of Ghani Institute is to establish Islam in every domain, reviving the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as he said in Tirmidhi, إن العلماء ورثة الأنبياء إن الأنبياء لم يورثوا دينارا ولا درهما إنما ورثوا العلم فمن أخذ به أخذ بحظ وافر. Indeed, the scholars are the heirs of prophets. The prophet do not leave behind dinar or dirham. The only legacy for scholar is knowledge. So whoever takes from it has indeed acquired the most valuable share. Mr. President, Ghani Institute courses are designed not only to impart subject-specific expertise, but also to cultivate the skills and abilities that are essential for us for success in ever-evolving global landscape and hereafter. Mr. President, when a dedicated student is enrolled at Ghani Institute, skillfully integrating both modern and Islamic knowledge, he memorizes Holy Quran in his early years while excelling in the Cambridge syllabus during 6th, 7th and 8th grades. Through metric, he balances academic success, preparing for his future. He embarks on his next educational phase by enrolling in this Nizami, combining it with either FSc or DA, Diploma of Associate Engineering. The last 2 years involved a dual focus as he pursues for his master's degree. He emerged as a scholar and a graduate well versed in both modern and Islamic knowledge. In the footsteps of Nelson Mandela's wisdom, our graduate from Ghani Institute is a living testament for the world. He embodies the words of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam as he said, إِنَّ الْعُلَمَاءَ وَرَثَةُ الْأَنْبِيَاءِ. Mr. President, with the blend of modern and Islamic solutions, students at Ghani Institute have the potential to emulate figures like Al-Baruni, Ibn al-Haytham, Al-Farabi, and Jabir bin Hayyan. They can become preacher-minded guides and leaders for our society, reviving the Sunnah in every aspect of life. His unique 8-year journey allows him to bridge the gap between modern and Islamic society. May Allah Almighty grant success to Ghani Institute in achieving its lofty goals. May Allah bless this institution trustees, administrators, and visionary chief executive, Mr. Imtiaz Ghani, and Honorable Mr. Zaid Ghani, and respected Mr. Saad Saleh, for their dedicated efforts in this world and hereafter. Assalamu alaikum.